Hey everybody, it's Amy with Somerset 106, and we are getting ready for our Christmas open house here. As we've been talking about, it begins at 11 a.m. and arriving just a few moments ago, Santa Claus.
Well, hello there. How are you folks? It's good to see you. Amy, how are you doing, my dear?
I'm great. Now, you're going to be here from 11 to 1.
We'll be here 11 to 1 today,
and
yes.
Kids are going to come by and tell you what all they want for Christmas.
Oh, yes. Everyone has a long list this time of year.
And you've also got, right over here, this big box of candy. They can get.
Yes. They can have some candy as well. They can come in here and listen to some tunes from the guitar man, our good friend.
Let's turn right over here. Walk with me.
Yes, we'll walk this way.
Right over here, the guitar man.
Guitar man's right over here.
Say hello. We're live on Facebook. He's going to be playing some music for all of our guests today who come to our open house. And Santa, the food table. Can you show off the food table?
Oh, the food table is wonderful. We've got sandwiches. If there's any police officers out there, we have plenty of donuts. Come on in. It's going to be a wonderful time, again, from 11 to 1 today. So it's going to be a great Christmassy festive time here at WTLO and WYKY FM.
How sweet. Now Santa,
that's automatic nice list.
He's automatically on the nice list. Now, Santa, for all of those who come visit us during our open house today, we have gifts over here.
Yes, we do.
We're going to be giving away all of these gifts during our open house, and all you have to do when you come by is register for the gifts, and we will choose a winner throughout the 2 hours that will be on the air during our open house and announce our winner. But I have a couple questions for you, Santa.
Yes, ma'am. Let's do this.
So, on Christmas Eve, you begin your journey across the world.
Yes, that's when the mission begins. Yes.
So, what do you do in the hours leading up to Christmas Eve to get ready?
Well, we have a lot of.
Let's step back here so we can.
Yes. We have quite a long process.
Hear you better.
As far as getting the machinery ready to go. Of course, we're in Sector 1138 here in Somerset. And so part of it is to get the elves, basically we're literally wrapping up a few details and getting everything in the sleigh and ready to go. Of course, the flux capacitor in the sleigh helps me be able to be everywhere pretty much at the same time, helps me bend the space-time continuum. Of course, I have to get the sleigh up to 88 miles an hour.
Now, what gifts are you hearing that most of the kids here in Somerset and Pulaski County are wanting this year?
For girls, it's called an LOL doll. And that's one of the things a lot of the girls are requesting. The boys are requesting, of course, this time of year, obviously, Star Wars. A lot of Star Wars toys, lightsabers, that sort of thing. So, and hoverboards, for some reason, have become very, very popular again. But we want to make sure it's a bit of a, we want to tell folks it's not the hoverboard from Back to the Future. It's more, it's like a Segway without a handle. It's very dangerous, very dangerous.
Now, what's the one toy that when the kids and the children ask for, you just think, oh no, this is so hard to make, the elves are going to have a hard time with this? What's the one toy that you all just really will make for the kids because they want it, but just it's not your favorite to make in the toy shop?
Live puppy. They ask for a puppy all the time, and I tell them that's not very doable because they eat all the food, and it's just, so we like to do toy puppies if at all possible. Another one that they request all the time, and I think their parents put them up to it, is some of the young whippersnappers ask for a BB gun. And of course I have to tell them, and of course Angie Brown would probably be able to tell you this as well, that if you get a BB gun, you have to be very careful. Don't shoot your eye out, kid.
Oh, you had to quote the Christmas story. Now, if you will, don't mind, Santa, in this bags over here, can you pick up one of the packages in there? These are gifts from the Pulaski County Community Early Childhood Council.
Oh, wonderful.
The first 40 kids that come see us get one of these. It's instructions and supplies on how to make your own Santa and reindeer finger puppets.
Oh, wonderful.
So those are pretty cool as well.
Oh, yes.
So now, after you visit us here during our open house, where are you off to next, Santa? I know you've got a busy schedule.
Next, I will be at Somerset's Energy Center in City Hall. I'll be there from 2 to 4:30 this afternoon. And then after that, we'll be going to the Pulaski County Detention Center from 5 to 7, and that's for some of the inmates' children. They'll come in and get some gifts from the detention center and from their parents that are in there as well. This is a tough time of year for some people, so it's just something a little extra we do.
Now, last question for you, Santa,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
people are starting to arrive,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
everybody wants their picture with Santa Claus. We talked on Mid Mornings with Amy this morning about some of the foods that kids around the world leave for Santa Claus.
Yes.
Typically here in America, we do the milk and cookies.
I love Santa.
I know, right? Of course.
We do the milk and cookies, but what
Yes.
is your favorite food that kids, if they can leave something for you, what would you want on your trip to their home on Christmas Eve?
Oh, bologna sandwich would be wonderful.
Ooh, that's good.
I love bologna. Also, barbecue isn't half bad. I like that as well. But my cookies are always still the favorite mainstay. This year, though, a couple of years ago, they started. Mrs. Claus started asking for me to get gluten-free cookies, and I don't like those at all.
That's sort of an oxymoron.
Not a big fan of gluten-free
cookie.
cookies. They don't taste right. They're a little bit odd. So yeah. So I'm again big fan of that. But again, just regular cookies are fine. Barbecue, bologna sandwich would be wonderful.
So leave Santa a bologna sandwich, and we'll let you take your place on the couch so the kids
Thank
can
you, ma'am.
start
Thank you
coming
very
to
much.
see
Thank
you.
you
Merry
very much.
Christmas,
Yes,
and one
ma'am.
more time we'll do a quick tour of
Yes.
our food. Now, as we've been telling you, our Christmas love for you and pictures with Santa are limitless, but the food we will run out of. So come early. Christmas Open House here at Somerset 106 and WTLO 11 to 1. So we're live on Facebook. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Come see us 11 to 1 here, Somerset 106 290 WTLO Road.